What's up YouTube, Katelyn Macias here, and today I actually have a tutorial for you guys. I'm going to show you how to do a really easy and really fast glitch effect in Premiere Pro. So let's roll that intro and just get right into it. Alright guys, so here I am in Premiere Pro, and I just took a stock video footage of this guy walking through the forest, and yes, I did color grade it and color correct it. Don't judge me. I couldn't resist. I mean, look at the original footage. Look at this. It's terrible. Awful. I had to, okay? Don't judge. Anyways, we're gonna get right into the tutorial. So first thing I'm gonna do is kind of blow this up a little bit. It's, I like working when things are blown up bigger. So right about there. Next, we're going to determine where we want the glitch effects. For example, we'll have him walking, and then maybe like right there, like a little, and then him continue walking. So right here, you are going to use your razor tool, splice that, slide over a couple frames, splice that again, a couple more, and there's no set like pattern to this. It's really just random. And then go through and delete every other frame, so you're left with something like this. Alright, and if you want more glitches, just do that for a longer period of time. I kind of like shorter glitches, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Next, what you're going to do is you are going to copy this clip and copy this clip. Alright, next, over here, effects controls. Go over to opacity, turn that down to 50. Right here, position, under motion, slide that over to really whatever you want. Depends how big of a shift you want. I like about there. You can also, lower it or raise it. Kind of want to raise it just a tad, and then do the same thing here. It doesn't have to be the same settings. No one's going to be able to tell because it's a glitch. It's going to be moving, pretty fast. Whoops, my hand slipped. And then a little bit higher. All right, so now we should have this. But if you guys don't like that, if you want to add some color to it, go over to the color tab, basic correction. You can make it really, really warm and throw some green in there, maybe like that. You can mess around with the blacks and the exposure and things like that. And then go over here to this clip. You can either like turn down the saturation to make it more monotone, or you can, let's see, add some green. Boom. So now we have this, and that literally took me, I think, 2 minutes, and that's a pretty good glitch effect. Now, if you guys want like the pixelated glitch and stuff like that, yeah, this tutorial isn't going to show you how to do that. There's plenty of other videos out there, but if you need a really good, decent, quick glitch, that is it right there. And I'm actually going to show you guys this, this clip. This is from a vacation video I'm making, and I used a glitch effect in addition to a rewind effect, and I'm going to make a video on this in the future on how to do this, but this is what you could do with a glitch effect.
Clearwater 2021! Clearwater 2021!
So see how I did like the glitch effect, and then I kind of did like a rewind, kind of like you're playing it back. So you can do a lot of really cool things with that really simple glitch effect. Now, I will say something that this glitch effect is missing is sound design, right? So I'm not going to talk about this too much in this video, but I highly recommend you guys check out Epidemic Sound. And there's actually a link in the description that will get you, I think it's 1 or 2 months for free. It's $15 a month for the basic starter plan. It is totally worth it. If we go over here to me, we go to my playlist, I already have a glitch playlist with a few glitches that I like. But you guys, go over to the search bar, just type in glitch under sound effects, literally hundreds, probably thousands of glitches pop up. I mean, there's different tags. For example, I think I put in static when I did the video I showed you because I wanted it to be like a TV type glitch. There's distortion, crack. I mean, It's just incredible. In addition, they also have music though. Epidemic Sound is just really great for adding that sound design to your videos, because a glitch like this is good, but if there's no sound design, then the clip isn't very good. I mean, let's be real. Who wants to watch this? There's no or like, you know, like, yeah. You know what? You guys get the point. Alright guys, so that's pretty much all I had for you today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a lot more than you guys might think. And be on the lookout for future tutorials to come, including how to do other glitches, how to do that rewind, transition, and much, much more. You guys are awesome. See you guys in the next video.